Okay, here's my old mower deck. This thing is worn out. Looks good from this side. The other side, all them bearings are worn out and the shafts are loose. So I'm going to see if we can't do something about this. As you can see, this mower deck here is pretty much done. That one's not too bad, but this one and this one are more than shot. I'm surprised that it worked. Time to replace it, and that's why I'm rebuilding this other mower deck I have. This is the new mower deck, or it's going to be the rebuilt one. I took the hardware off and scraped all the rust off and painted it with some red rust stop paint. I don't know if this is the best paint, but I just happen to have some here, so I went ahead and put it on there. When I get done, I'll spray it with yellow. It's close to being done now. I just need to let the paint dry, put on some yellow paint, and stick on the hardware. Nearly done with this side of the mower deck. This is what the castings look like that run the blades. This is an older one. The newer ones have a V-slot. See, it makes them a little easier to bolt on. Well, we're done with this side of the mower deck. We got it on the three wheels that turn the rotary blades, and we got the two idler wheels on. We put the belt on. Then we get the belt on by expanding this here spring, cargo strap, and that gives us enough slack that we can take the belt and put it on the last idler wheel. Then we'll release that, everything will be tight, and we'll be ready to put this over and work on the back side of this. Put on the blades and maybe a roller. Other than that, it seems to be going pretty well. Okay, here's the underside of the mowing deck. You see we've got the three places where we can mount the cutting blades. And we need a roller mounted there. Pretty rusty, you probably put some paint on it. Okay, we're done with the mower deck. We put on the cutting blades and the rear roller and primed the rusty metal, and she's ready to go.